What's up, home slice? Lucas here. So I'm gonna take another attempt at trying to hold a handstand for a whole minute. My little rules are, there really are no rules as long as you're holding on your hands with nothing holding your feet or your body up there. So it's got to be all by balancing on your hands, but you can have your legs spread, or you can like curl a leg over, you can even walk if you need to, but you got to stay up on your hands for a whole minute. Basically a crappy handstand challenge for a whole minute. That's how I approached it last time. I only got like 43 seconds. Now that we've been working out at home, doing these in-home workouts, I've been throwing a few handstands in here and there, holding them for about 20-25 seconds, but I'm feeling like, you know what, it's time to take another stab at this challenge. Going for a whole minute. Let's see if we can do it, guys. Weekly challenge. Follow along with me if you can do a handstand, or if you want to try, or if you maybe you want to try it up against the wall, you know, just to build that endurance up. Here we go, guys. Handstand challenge, going for that whole minute. But I gotta focus. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So there it is. Hopefully I hit that for the whole solid minute. I felt like I was falling right as the alarm was going off. That was like a forearm workout, honestly. Like, I didn't even notice that when I was holding handstands for about 20 seconds, but going 30, 45, whole minute, my forearm was starting to like cramp up. I'm happy I got at least that far. I definitely beat my old time. How did you guys do? Let me know in the comments sections. Let me know what you guys want me to do next week for next week challenge. Maybe that bring Sally up push-up challenge. Let me know what you guys want to see next week. Maybe you want to see something totally different. We could maybe do some kind of flip thing or something like that. Flip, burpee flip. I heard that too. Let me know in the comments. If you guys are interested in an in-home training program, the 1-month plan, check that out. Only Kinds Fitness YouTube channel. You can follow along all those workout videos for free. If you're interested in purchasing that program, the full complete version with the bonus videos, access to the nutrition plan, access to my emailing me any questions you may have, onemonthplan.com, or check out all of our programs on onlykindsfitness.com. We also have Bodyweight Beast there as well, which is a 12-week calisthenics program. I recommend for Bodyweight Beast having a pull-up bar, though. It really helps, you know. With that being said, thank you so much for all your positive support, feedback on everything. Thank you guys so much. You guys are great. Peace. I hope you guys all have a good one. I will see you all in the next video.